Aftershave spray is a product used after shaving to soothe irritated skin and help prevent unsightly razor bumps. Instead of splash-on or a cream, this style of aftershave comes in a spray bottle. Individuals with sensitive skin should choose an aftershave spray that is made specifically for this skin type. Some products might be too irritating and cause redness or burning when applied. Products for sensitive skin include more moisturizing ingredients than would otherwise be included. They also do not contain ingredients such as alcohol that burn the skin. Certain types of aftershave spray are made from natural or organic ingredients, which can be found by reading the list of ingredients. When choosing aftershave spray, it is important to consider how much the products cost. There are sprays available at drugstores for much less cost than products from department or skincare stores. The less expensive products might contain ingredients that are not as good for the skin but are good for individuals on a budget. It is sometimes possible to try these products when purchasing them from a department store. It is necessary to try out different aftershave spray in order to determine a good fit for a particular individual. Some people enjoy certain fragrances more than others, while some would rather use a product that is entirely fragrance-free. Some of this information can be gleaned by reading the label, but it is still necessary to try it on to make sure that it is the best product for the individual. Choosing an aftershave spray requires that an individual determine his needs from the product, as some products contain antiseptic ingredients that help control bleeding and cuts but can be harder on the skin. Other products include astringents that can help acne-prone skin, and aftershave sprays are also available in designer fragrances so that they can double as a cologne. Traditional aftershaves include menthol and alcohol, which cause a tingling effect on the skin. As each individual has different chemistry, it is important to consider these factors when choosing the best product.